This is my window, and today I'll show you how to install blinds on a window. Hey guys, welcome to Daddicated. My name is Andy. I like to fix stuff, build stuff, and remodel stuff on this channel. If you enjoy this type of content, hit that subscribe button and let's begin. Step 1. Measure your window width to determine what size blinds you will need to purchase. Mine measure out to be a little over 35 inches, so I went to Home Depot and bought these 35-inch wide by 64 height blinds. If your window is narrow and tall, you may want to measure your height as well to make sure that the blinds are long enough. Step 2. Unbox the blinds that you bought and lay everything out. It's always a good idea to take a peek at the instruction manual that it comes with.
Step 3. Do me a favor and smash that like button.
Step 4. Open the hardware box, unpack the screws, and locate these metal brackets. Mine came with a short and long screws, so I'll use 2 of each on the bracket, putting them diagonally apart to ensure the proper hold. My brackets also came with some double sticky tape on the back. That way I can stick it to the top and mark my holes. It didn't do a very good job holding, so I recommend using a pencil and mark where the holes are. Then use a smaller drill bit than the screws and drill some pilot holes. I did 2 at a time. Next, screw in the screws into the pilot holes, then drill the other 2 holes and screw in the other screws. Step 5. Wipe the window and the windowsill from all the debris that you created. Step 6. Take these end caps and install them into the blinds on both ends. Next, take these clips and install them onto the blinds like this. Step 7. Take the blinds and install the back end first, and then the top part will just snap in. Next, remove the cardboard that was part of the packaging. Then, take the cover piece and install it into these clips. Step 8. Take the rod and install it into this hole with this end. You should hear a clicking sound when you're turning it. Make sure you turn it to see if it's working properly. Next, drop down the blinds all the way down and install the end caps on the bottom piece. There's a little tab in the middle that you may press for them to go in. Then give it a nice tap and you'll be set. Do it on both sides. My blinds also came with this side covers that I'm not using, but if you need to install them, just install this plastic corner piece into the front cover first and then into the side cover like this. Here's what it looks like when it's completed. Subscribe and thanks.